Hello guys, so today we'll be covering internal working of a hash map. So let's create an object of a map, and we know that map have store the value in store data in key value pair. So I'm just creating an object of a map, and I'll be showing you what happens and how. Integer map is equal to new hash map. Okay, the moment you write this part of code, what will happen? A list of bucket will be created, and the size of the bucket will be 16. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15. It will go to 15 because we are starting with the index value 0. So the moment you will write this part of code, so a list of bucket will be created and the length of that bucket will be 16. Now each bucket is called as a node, and when I am saying node, just understand it as a linked list. What does linked list mean? Okay, so this is my node, and when I am saying linked list, so linked list store key, value, and address of the next node, right? This is the internal structure of a linked list. So when I'm talking about node, just take it as a linked list. Now let me add something to the map. Map dot put string anchor 1. Similarly, map dot put xyz 2. Okay, so when I'm writing this part of code, this put method does a lot of things is done by the put method. So I'm just talking about some of the basic working of put method. What is happening? It is storing key and value here. So what does it mean? It's like, what does it do? So actually this put method will calculate the hash of key. So I'll be calculating the hash of key. For me it's anchor. Anchor. So it will be calculating the hash code of the key, and the hash code will come as something like 1110111 something. So since it's a very big format, you cannot store it in the 16 bucket, so you need to calculate the index in order to store it into the bucket. So index need to be calculated, and in order to do so, a modular operation should be performed, and we will be performing the modular operation where I'll be just using AND operator. It will just calculate the index of the appropriate this for this one. So suppose the index comes as in 2. So index comes as in 2, and similarly same process for this one as well. For this one, suppose the index comes as in 4. Okay, so the information for 2, it will go over here. In 2 it will have 4 places. This will have the key is anchor. It will have the value is 1. Hash code will be 111011, and this will be null. Since it is the linked list, it is not having any other linked list attached to it, so that's why it will be null. Similarly for 4, we will be having same thing. This is xyz, this is 2, this is suppose the hash code comes in as 100011, and this is also null since it is not connected to any linked list right now. So this is the internal structure, how things are going to inside the map. Now what will happen if two data is having same hash code? In that case, hash collision will happen. And how does it happen actually? Suppose this one is returning a hash code 111001, and suppose this one is also returning the same hash code 111001, and the index for both of them is suppose is 8 is the index for both of them. Now the data will come to this part,